How do you know when to let go? We asked a bunch of people how they knew when they had to let go. These are some of their answers. Nung tinanong ko siya kung nakikita niya ba ako sa future niya, like papakasalan, tumingin lang siya sa akin tapos hindi umimik. Very cold eyes. Doon ko na feel na parang need ko na mag-let go. PS, 8 years na kami nun.
Ooh.
Damn. I feel like
Yeah.
after the first 2 years of your relationship, you already have to talk about that.
Yeah.
First year nga, dapat medyo feel out
May
yun eh.
ano na kayo.
May plano na kayo
Oo.
eh.
Kahit yung small talks lang. Dito ko gusto magpakasal, ganun. Tayo.
Hindi dito ko.
Ah,
Dapat
okay.
tayo. Sa tingin
O,
ko
diba?
dapat
I learned a lot from you.
even bank account ko kay Krisha. Ito yung pera natin. Ito yung na-receive natin. Pero
Damn.
pag bayad, ito yung binayaran ko. Pero
Okay,
our
okay.
home, our car, our everything. Pero kasi, yun na yung mindset nyo.
It's a manifestation na din.
Manifestation also parang security na din ng partner mo na bahay natin, kotse natin, sahod natin.
Iniisip mo pa din yung long term nyo.
Oo, pero kung 8 years na
Together.
kayo, wala pa man lang usapan ng kasal in between that.
Damn.
Naglulupakan na lang.
Yeah. Parang nandun na kayo sa point na you're just together for the sake of being together.
Yeah.
Hindi nyo na gustong mag-move forward.
To
Maybe
what a real commitment
Mm-mm.
is.
Tsaka mahirap yan. I think yung mga ganyang ibang situation is yung mga nag-build na ng different lives outside their relationship. Tapos na-stuck na sila doon. Nahirapan na ulit silang ipasok yung sarili nila in the relationship.
Yeah.
May iba eh. Yung dating kasi talaga nun is hindi na nila laging nakaka-communicate yung partner nila. Or they fight a lot. May mga ganun. Yung lumalayo na yung loob mo
Oo.
sa partner mo. Kaya nung sinabi niya dito na tumingin lang siya sa akin, tas hindi siya umimik. Sobrang silent na siguro nung utak nung guy with that term na hindi niya talaga gusto.
Wala na sa
Pakas-
plano niya.
Mm.
Pero ang pinaka hindi ko magets, maybe this is coming from a traditional mindset. Yung mga tao na kaya naman, legally, financially, emotionally, yung kaya naman magpakasal, tas long term na sila. Pero they choose not to. I've known a lot of people that have been together for 10 years, 11 years.
Oo.
Financially capable, both of them are legally single, but they don't choose to get married.
But they're in a relationship.
But they're in a relationship and they live together. So I don't understand what's holding them from committing to each other. There are some people that say kasi, papel lang yan. That doesn't define a relationship. But kung papel lang yan, bakit di mo kaya ibigay? Meron ako nakita, which di ako super agree, but living together before marriage makes you not want to get married already because it's like you're playing house. You have that setup, that environment, that dynamic without the full commitment of a marriage.
Mahirap mag-live-in before kayo ikasal.
I still believe you should.
Yeah.
Pero in anticipation na you will get married.
Oo,
Hindi
parang
yung vibes.
ang tagal niya na 3 years na kayo live-in pero
Wala pa ring
oo.
plano.
Ang magiging setup nyo kasi nun is magkakasawaan kayo. Makikita nyo lahat ng baho ng isa't isa. Kasi sabi nga nila, pag gusto mo makilala yung partner mo, live with them.
Yeah.
Kasi doon mo makikita if tamad ba sila, paano sila mag-alaga ng pets or sarili niya, or ikaw, paano kanya alagaan within that time na magkasama kayo. Pag hindi niya yun kaya, mapapaisip ka na if gusto mo pa ba siya in the long run.
Yeah.
So okay lang din na may trial period.
Same.
Period.
Trial period. Pero, in anticipation for renewal. Hindi yung kakancel mo subscription mo.
Lagi na lang kayong back and forth. Ang dami ko nakikita online na, eto, ganito ang reality ng live-in. Tapos mga nag-iimpake ng mga tao na, tapos back and forth sila doon kasi ganun nga yung setup nila. That's sad kasi mas madaming nagsasettle sa live-in na lang.
Hanggang
kaysa,
dun lang. I'm a firm believer pa rin na you should live together before you get married. Pero, only after you've been able to establish na you are both for marriage. You are both committed to each other for marriage, not just committed to each other. Kasi I've lived with my partners naman eh. Partner pala. Isa lang pala. Pero yun yung napag-usapan na namin na, I want this. Of course, ex ko na yun. Right? But that was in the plans. Hindi yung floating idea lang siya. Yung hindi ka sure. Bahala na, let's just play house para share sa rent. You can do that with your best friend. You don't have to live with your partner. Kung tipiran lang ang usapan nyo.
real.